Hello again, Mike from Lawson Studios. Thought we'd cover a little diamond system. We're going to talk about two rails here this afternoon. Diamond system's a pretty broad name. I'm not sure what it truly really means anymore. There's so many different elements to the diamond system. This is just one of them. But this is a pretty good one for full table two rail banks. We've all been in this situation before. I'm hung on the 8-ball, I can't get to the kick, I've got to 2-rail it, and I can either go by feel or I can actually use a system. And in this system, we do it basically by assigning number values to points. And in this shot, we're gonna assign a 0 number value to the object ball that we're shooting at. So 0 is our object ball, and we're going to count diamonds on both ends of the table. Now, as you know, and we'll just do this real quick, but you got a total of 9 diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you have exactly half that on the short side. There's some sort of Euclidean math principle that allows you to be able to calculate lines by turning the table into a square mathematically. And so what we do, and how we do that is we just give us our 9 numbers here, and all I've done is I've split the difference between the diamonds. So we have turned this mathematically into a square, and all we have to do is count. So in this case, this is the object ball, so this is 0. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And we can go to 4. And there's our 4. And we can see our 4 is offline of our ball. So what this tells us now is that is our angle we need. So we just parallel shift our cue to that, and there's our line. And there's our make. Now, we didn't make it, but we hit our object ball. We didn't give up ball in the hand, and there's a real good chance of making that pretty much every time. And this system works. Doesn't matter where the 8-ball is along this line. I still can hit a 2-rail shot at that and feel very confident I'll hit the 8-ball by using this diamond system. So once again, the 8-ball is our object ball, so that's 0. And we know this is number 1 because there's a ball there that says it is. And those are the only 2 numbers you need to remember: is the 0 is your object ball and 1 is your starting point to count. And you're going to count just as many points here as you do this way. So we got 0. So I got 1, 2, 3. All right, now if I take that and I line up with a 3, and that's really the first diamond down there, but it's the 3 ball on this, in this representation. So there's our line. So what we have to do is we've got a parallel shift. Okay, so we can see our spot is right between the 2, the 3 and the 4 there. So we almost made it. But I can hit that very confidently knowing I was going to hit it because of this system. Now, it works over on this side of the table too, guys. Say you're trapped here, you can't really hit it, you can't kick at it. Can't kick at it. So now in order to hit it, you're forced to a 2-rail shot. So let's just do let's do it again. Let's see if this works. How confident are you going to be with this? 8-ball is the object ball, so that's 0, 1, 2, 3. There's our line with 3. So now I parallel shift here. I see my line, and I see where I have to hit now. Now it's just all about hitting the spot. Oh, and I missed it. I think I might have put just a little hair too much throw on that. there's two elements to this. There's the math and then there's the shot itself. So let's try this again though. This is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. And I could go 3 or 4. If I go to 4, I just have to shift this way. If I go 3, I'm going to have to shift this way. So I always go to which one is the shortest of the shifts. Because there's my line, so there's my shift, and there's my shot. And it's something you can count on.